Hello, I'm going to attempt to install my SSL certificate on Namecheap with cPanel. So I got this email from the SSL team, and then they're going to have some instructions here for me on how to install that certificate right here. So copy the code from the CRT file, go to your cPanel. Okay. So where is the CRT file? Let's see if we can find it. Maybe we'll check this link that they provided here. Let me get this stuff into a new browser window here. Alright, oh, this looks familiar. Okay. Alright, let's do it. cPanel, SSL, maybe it'll be this one then. Okay. What was it we needed now? We need this CRT file, security certificate file. Aha, okay. Let's get that. Okay. Let's go here. Install. Certificate is expired, okay. Okay, maybe this is where we're supposed to paste the new one, because I'm pretty sure I have a new one. Let's see if I can find it on their website. Yes, because I bought a 5-pack. It's supposed to be good for 5 years. So let's see here. I'll sign into Namecheap. Go to the SSL certificates. Not doing anything. Oh, wait, no, there it is. Okay, CRT, yeah, that looks like the thing we wanted. Okay. So let's see here then. So I'm gonna go open this file on my other window so you guys don't see it, because it's supposed to be private, I think. So if it does open in my other window here, you want to add the certificates to a keychain. No, maybe not right now. It's asking me if I want to, it's giving me the option to view. It says it's not trusted, but I said open it anyway. Still making it difficult for me. details down here. Okay, I'm just gonna try and add it to the keychain. Nope, didn't work. Can I copy and paste the file maybe? Let's see what this says. No, don't move. Let's go back to the email then. Copy the whole code from the CRT file. Maybe I can open this with VS Code or something. See it that way. Yeah, looks like that's an option. Okay. Open with VS Code. Oh, hide it again. Yep, there it is. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, that made things easier. All right, so I will paste it in now here. Okay. Certificate. Maybe the email said to click autofill after you paste it. Okay, so then we got the keys in there, and then we click install. Okay, okay. Hey, look at that. Okay. Does that mean it worked? Did it? Oh, looks like it's installed now. Still privacy error though, but let's go back to the email. They told me how to test it here. It can be checked here, decoder link. Okay, opening that link from the email. Oh, here we go. Nope, now it's installed, I think. Finally. Finally back online. Alright, so that does it, I guess. The steps in the email. If we do a quick summary, what we just did that actually worked. So, yeah, let's I'll close these pages. Actually, I don't want to close those. I'll just do this in a new window. So we started at the email. We went to Namecheap to grab the certificate, which actually I just saw there in the email. It tells you how to go find it. So you can download your certificate in Namecheap by SSL Certificates and then click on download. Okay, so that's what we kind of did back there. Account, SSL Certificates, and then I downloaded here. And once I did that, I can open that file. And it's going to show it to me here in a zip, I guess it opened the zip. And then there's the CRT file that we were looking for that they referenced in the email. So yeah, so now we copy the code from the CRT file. So we go back to the Finder. I'm going to open this with VS Code because that was the easiest way for me to actually see and copy it, because Apple wasn't really letting me do that. So I've got the certificate code here. I'm going to copy that and then go to cPanel for my website. Got it in a shortcut there. cPanel. I'm going to search the apps for SSL. I'm going to choose this one, not the Namecheap one. Go down here to CRT, generate, upload, blah blah. And then what did we do here? Oh, did I click the wrong thing? Yeah, I think it was this one. Yeah, and then we clicked edit here, or we clicked install maybe. Oh yeah, we clicked in install. Yes, and here is where we, here's SSL, here we have our sites, and here is where we can paste in the new certificate, click autofill by certificate, and then down here we click install, and that should complete the process. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to click install again, but that was the end of it, I believe. And then after a couple of minutes, the certificate started working again. So there we go. That's how we do it. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you. Bye.